Fresh roasted freedom.
These are people that have, sacrificed their whole entire life to protect America.
We're trying to be these shining examples for the veteran community, and that's why I love it here.
What I'm trying to build is something where people can be very happy in their life at work. People talk about, we're dedicated to veterans, but half of that is just trash. I want people to know when they step into the company that this is owned by the veteran community, and I want the veteran community to take pride in that.